Hi guys, the Florist TV is here and we will make a special bouquet, and we are using all kind of white flower varieties. So we are using hydrangea and baby roses and stargazer, Casablanca, and chrysanthemum white and roses, also lisianthus, also carnation white and gypsophilia. Guys, we are using also leaves for leather leaf and eucalyptus. So guys, stay tuned and relax and enjoy your watching, guys. Let's do it, guys.
Last night, and I saw you again. You were smiling, and when I woke up, I thought, I wish it could last longer. Life seems like a dream, but a scary one right now. I wanna see you, I wanna see you. Some pretty flowers will never bloom. It was too cold and they died too soon. I heard them cry, you heard them too. The sun was hiding behind the moon. It might be dark, but I see your light. I'm not afraid, I will stay alive. Jak сльози прозорі,